Hey everyone, welcome back to free tutorials and softwares. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 websites where you can download free stock images copyright free to use within your YouTube videos for social media or just for your website or blog or even paid ads that you are running on the internet. These websites offer completely free to download stock images. You don't have to pay money to Shutterstock, okay, or iStock or any other stock site, okay. And these websites you make use of up and coming artists to show their talent so they can get recognition out there, and they are very happy for you to use their images within your videos. So if you want to see the 3 sites where you can get these images, watch this video all the way till the end and take out your pen and paper so you can write them down as I show them to you. If you like videos of free softwares, downloads and tutorials, then subscribe to my channel or check out any of my older uploads, as they will all provide immense value to you in your online business. Okay, so the first site, which is my favorite, is actually Pixabay. I always use Pixabay in all of my YouTube videos on all of my channels, okay. And the Pixabay has got a extensive library in almost any niche, okay. There are some limitations for certain niches, okay, but if you look up similar images to your niche or just more similar niches, if you are niching down in a topic, okay, you can find those images as well on Pixabay that may be able to help you, okay. They also have free stock videos and illustrations, photos and vector graphics for you to download. So this is really all in one place, okay. Now the second website is going to be Pexels. Now, as with the Pixabay, okay, Pexels also has a really great variety, and they also offer you videos as well as photos to download. But unlike with Pixabay, Pexels does not have such a large library as Pixabay does, okay. And most of the images are also in different size ratios, as you can see here, whereas Pixabay mostly focuses on widescreen images, which is really awesome, especially for YouTube videos and that. But if you're looking for Instagram story pictures or photos to use in your Instagram pins, then Pixels might be the option for you to use, okay. They also offer pictures in a wide variety in any niche, so you can search them out as you need them and download them, okay, to your PC and upload them to wherever you need them or use them in any of your projects. Now the third and the last one, which is also another great one, okay, is going to be Unsplash. Now I don't know if you guys know, but many of the softwares and tools that you purchase online that they supposedly offer you free stock images actually source them from Unsplash. Yes, Unsplash has got millions and millions of photos for you to use, okay. They cover almost every niche, but with Unsplash there is one thing that you need to know. Unsplash also has some images that need you to attribute the artist, okay. So when you use these images, some of these images, and they require artist attribution, you need to just name the artist, okay, credit the artist, or in your video, in the video description, not directly in your video. You can do that if you want to, but you can just as well do it in your description. If you're doing it on WordPress, just under the picture where you have uploaded it, in the caption of the picture, okay, so people can know and people can see. So okay, so also when they need images in the future, they know who to look for if they like that image, and you will also be helping support the artist, which is basically a win-win situation, because he's giving you his art for free. For example, look at this. I don't live anywhere near area like this where this lady is in a beautiful field, okay, and she's helping us make our websites and our videos and feeds beautiful. So the least we can do is actually help her out by giving her an attribution or credit within our content, okay, and that way it's going to be a win-win situation. But that's really if you want to. If you do not want to credit any authors or anyone, then just look for similar pictures to the one that you wanted to take that needed attribution and just download that instead. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. Okay, if you like videos that cover free downloads, free stock images, free softwares, and easy tutorials for WordPress, YouTube, and any other online marketing, then like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch any of my older uploads, as they can provide huge value for you and your online business. That's all for me for today, guys. I will see you in the next one.